Okay, so this is a guide to help you travellers out there find the start of the Chaira nature walk. Chaira being the largest mountain on the island. What you're looking at there is the main straight out the back of Tong Salar, and where we're heading. You can see here there's a turn off to a number of points including Chalak Lom. What we want to do is go straight ahead through that archway there. Okay, so we've ridden approximately just over 1 kilometre since that last video through that archway, and what you want to look for, and notice only visible if you're coming from the Tong Salar end. The sign doesn't appear if you're coming from Chalak Lom. It's the Khao bungalows, and what we want to do is head along here. Right, so now we've got to the very top of that particular driveway. In traditional Thai style, as I've found on pretty much all of the walks, there's no noticeable turn off here, but as you can see, there's a clear path that you can follow, and usually you're going to find 1 or 2 motorbikes parked at this junction. You'll see that there's a house on the green house, corrugated iron house on the left is a good indicator for you. So yeah, so Khao itself, roughly 1 hour, one to an hour and a half worth of walking up that path. Well worth it. Well worth to be able to say that you've come to Koh Phangan and climbed the highest mountain on the island. Enjoy.